This video is going to cover section 3.1, which is the first part of chapter 3, which looks at cell structure and function. So in this particular lesson, we'll look at the cellular level of organization. So first of all, we have three types of cells that we are aware of. We have prokaryotic cells. They lack a nucleus. For example, many single-cell bacteria are prokaryotic cells. Then we have the eukaryotic cells, and these ones, they have a distinct nucleus as one of the main characteristic features which distinguish eukaryotic cells from prokaryotic cells. We also have archaeans. Now, these are chemically distinct from prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. We don't come across these too often, so most of the time you will just hear about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. The human body is made up of eukaryotic cells, and these must be viewed through a microscope. So all organisms are made up of this basic unit referred to as the cell. And all cells, they come from previously existing cells. And the chart here is just to show the size of different objects and how the size of cells compare with other things. So the size of cells obviously are going to be larger than atoms and molecules, and by and large larger than viruses as well. But obviously, much smaller than things that can be seen with the naked eye. So there's some examples. One of the larger cells in humans is the human egg. Actually, it's one of the largest cells. Most of the other cells are smaller than these. So in terms of size, then, the small size of cells is a very important advantage, because the ability of molecules to get into and out of cells is affected by the surface area of the cell. So the smaller the cell, the greater the surface area to volume ratio. And this is an important distinction. So although the cells get smaller, which means that they have smaller surface area, the surface area to volume ratio increases as these cells get smaller. So there's an advantage to having smaller cells, because you increase the surface area whereby materials can get in and out of the cell, which has to occur at the cell membrane. So if you decrease the size of cells, then you're going to increase the overall surface area of that same volume. So therefore, it is an advantage with small size. So that'll look at just some of the basics of cells, and of course we will look at some more aspects of the cells in further detail in subsequent videos.